Okay, this is Fat Lake, dead end lake, the boundary water south of Eugene, a couple, 3-4 lakes south of Lac LaCroix. I believe that's a campsite way over there. But we're going to come in, there's supposed to be Lakers in here. We're going to see if we can catch some Lakers. Supposedly nothing else, but it's kind of weird looking. It looks like the water level's way down, so I don't know. It's probably up, I don't know, 60, 70 rod portage, and it's not bad at all. It's a little overgrown just because it's a dead-end lake, but generally speaking, it's pretty easy. Uphill a little bit, not too wet. We're about the top of the watershed up here, so it's weird. I haven't seen any. Usually I see wolf scat on these portage trails on the trips. I haven't seen any this year. I haven't seen any wolf prints. I haven't seen any moose prints. I've seen pine marten crap, but that's about it. As far as wildlife, we haven't seen much other than eagles and beavers and that kind of stuff, but no big mammals, which I guess is fine. I don't need to see a bear. I've seen plenty of them. Moose is nice, but anyway, there's one section along here that it's really narrow. It's like you can tell nobody comes to this lake very often. We'll see. Apparently there's a unmarked portage out of the other end. It's like 220 rods long that saves you about 8 miles of paddling the portage, and so we'll see if we're going to see if we can find it. I don't know if we'll be able to or not, but so it's going to be a long day tomorrow. We'll only have 2 portages, but one will be 220, one will be about 180. But we're like 7 days in on the trip, so we're a lot lighter now. We got a couple more days to go. Fishing's been good. We've got walleyes, brookies, lake trout, pike, smallmouth, largemouth, rock bass. We pretty much caught everything you can catch in a lake. We've pretty much caught stuff. And we've caught fish in every lake we've been through. So that's good. I mean, it hasn't been hot and heavy, but it's been we've had fish every night to eat. Let's put it that way. We've had lake trout 2 of the nights. We've had walleye the other nights. So it's been a good trip. I see my batteries are running low, so I don't think I'm going to make this whole portage. Probably make about half of it, and then I'll have to be done. Hopefully I can make it down to there's a beaver pond about 2/3 of the way through towards Eugene. We're going towards Eugene Lake. Eugene Lake was actually pretty good fishing. It said it only had northern in it, but we caught smallmouth and some nice northern. One guy's, his 16-year-old son lost a nice 36, 38-inch northern at the boat. Would have been nice to get a picture of it for him, but that's how it goes some days. Yeah, my battery's going to die very fast, but as you can see, it's a nice wide open portage. It's not raining today for once. First time in about 3 days. But it's blowing as usual. It was blowing about 50 miles an hour in the middle of the night. So here come some other guys. You guys going to Fat Lake too?
Yeah, we're going to Fat Lake.
Jeez,
you left your blue barrel back there.
It's fine.
Okay.
This part's a little overgrown, or you can't really. Not bad though. And over here, get up just a little farther, and I'll show you that little beaver pond if you can see it. I don't know if I'll even get up far enough before the battery dies. I gotta go another 20 yards. Don't die, battery, don't die. But anyway, you can See not really much in there. I don't know if the part of that beaver dam broke, or what, but it seems a lot lower than what should be. I'll try to open that up. Anyway, it's kind of cool. Maybe there'd be a moose in there. But anyway, onward and upward. A little bit of mud, but nothing terrible. I'll just take it on out until the battery goes, and I don't end up with a bunch of half-used batteries. I haven't taken as many videos this trip as I usually do. I usually take close to an hour's worth of videos, but I just didn't. First day we were doing, like, I don't know what we did the first day, 14 miles or something. It wore me out. It was really windy. We didn't go as far as we were gonna because of the wind. We didn't want to buck Lac LaCroix into the wind. But I think we've done, as of yesterday, we've done 44 miles or something like that. And we probably got another, I don't know, 20 to go, 15 or 20 to go. 2 more of my crew. But I think I'm going to make it. I can see the end of the portage. Maybe going to make it. There are logs down, but for a dead-end lake, portage is in relatively good shape.